we definitely might not have been as well prepared or as well versed as a lot of people. Simple Living Alaska is one of them that's really well prepared for this. But us, when the school hatches chicks, so the girls can see, and all the kids in the class can see, and your wife says, yeah, chicks sound like a great idea. Marley, look.
Okay, right here. Yeah, put your hands around.
Apparently she's upset by that. Ivy, show me chick. Bridget.
It's early morning.
Yeah, Bridget, show me your chick. Can you see it?
Mine's yellow, and I called it Ducky from
What's
Land
yours?
Before Time. Sarah.
Sarah, what's yours, Marley?
Petrie.
Yep.
Marley, you're gonna hurt the chick. Slow down.
Marley, slow down. Marley, pick your head up.
Ducky is really cute.
Put your legs back down.
Marley,
Put your legs
calm
down.
down, please.
Well, if you,
Yes.
but Marley,
Calmly,
if he jumps,
slowly.
it could hurt him. Okay.
About this time.
Ivy, gentle hands. Gentle
Keep everything low. Everything low.
Look, I made a little hole.
As you can see, it's taking some work. Yeah, so we got them yesterday. So as you can, I'll show you guys some of the setup here. So we knew we were getting some. We didn't plan on getting these three particularly, but
And this soon.
yeah, or this soon.
We had another week.
Yeah, these actually came. So right now, Amy's doing practicum hours or observation, student teaching, whatever. They call it Latin so they can sound cooler. But she's doing some of her practice teaching at one of the preschools. And the preschool teacher was like, hey, I want to hatch some stuff in the classroom for the kids. I'm going to go ahead and bring it in, but I don't know what to do with them afterwards. So that teacher, being a smart person she was, she didn't get the chicks until she knew where she was going to put them afterwards. Amy said, oh, well, we were thinking about get some. We'll take them. But again, those aren't supposed to be hatching for another week and a half. So these ones actually came from the kids' school. And the kids' school, they started hatching them, and then they were like, oh, these hatched a bit early, and the person who was originally going to take them wasn't prepared. Well, Amy, our setup, as you saw, our setup's a plastic tub, some wood shavings, a heat lamp, and a feeder and a waterer. So we already, when we already had that stuff, it was just sitting in the box waiting to be set up. So Amy just brought the chicks home, put the stuff together in the box. We kept the box at about 98 degrees last night, which is going to be a little bit warm. We're going to have to start, reducing that, raising the heat lamp higher. I will probably, and it's actually out, it's snowing right now. So for all of you in Alaska, yeah, we're right in the middle of this, winter 2.0 type of thing. Or maybe winter the remix. So we're having to deal with that. But, yeah, we've had probably 8 inches of snow in the last 2 days, and the first day was really that wet, heavy stuff. And then today, it's that really cold but really lightweight stuff. So I'm not going to be bringing the chickens outside anytime in the next couple of days, and this has definitely put a damper on things like, cleaning the carburetor on the bike, all that type of normal spring stuff. This has definitely put a damper on that. So as you can see, my truck was completely clear. I drove my truck home from school last night, and it was completely clear. And it's already got another, it's not a lot. My truck's got maybe half an inch to an inch. And then the Jeep down there's Jeep's got probably 2 inches on it. So, but yeah, we got chicks. We've got two used dog kennels lined up that I'm going to use as kind of chicken tractor-like things. And I'm going to have to build a chicken coop here shortly. I've been starting to study, the free the free coop designs online and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to go get one of those. But we will keep you updated on how it goes with the chicks.